Chiropractic Spinal Adjustment Procedures relieve pain. Are you looking for a routine spinal adjustment or seeking relief from painful symptoms following an accident? Spinal Adjusting Center has been offering low-fee spinal adjustment services to the working people of the Elkhart community for 45 years. The chiropractic spinal adjusting experts are committed to providing the highest standard of care to each client. They can help you stop muscle spasms, relieve tenderness and stretch your joints to increase your range of motion. The spinal adjustment procedures promote fast recovery and a healthier future.